Hi friends, how are you? In this video I will show you how to add chapters within your videos. If you have long video like 5 minutes or 10 minutes video and you want to retain your audience by adding chapters to your video, so this video gonna be help you. Just watch my video carefully, and this will help viewers better navigate and enjoy your videos as well. While scrubbing through a video on your device, chapter titles appear as segments in the scroll bar, and as a title below the thumbnail preview. The feature is automatically enabled when you add chapter information to your video description. To get started, open your video's description. To add a list of timestamps and titles, you must be at least 3-minute timestamp and title in your list. The first timestamp must be marked as 000, and each chapter needs to be at least 10 seconds in length. I encourage you to use shorter and descriptive chapter titles so the viewers can easily get an idea of what the chapter is about. On the next line, enter in the timestamp of when your next chapter will start. For example, if it starts at 2 minutes and 31 seconds, enter 2:31, then space and the name of chapter. Now when you scrub through your video, you should see your chapters listed, so that would be help your viewer to understand what your video is about. So this will increase your views and retain the viewer at your video. Thanks for watching my video. Like this video, subscribe my channel, and also subscribe my Facebook page. Have a nice day.